go. Back on the rear cross member upgrade. So she's fully welded in. Fitted the rear body tabs. Yeah, I had to notch that one out. Well, both of them, just allow for that vent hole. But all fully welded in. But this is falls into the swing, the rear swing arm that I'm doing, which really was all because of this 6mm upgrade. So basically, I've cut another cross member. Well, it's the exact shape of the cross member. I just shorten it up there, and I've made all these 7 of these bushes. So they're 30mm spaced with an M12 fine thread in there. I'm still yet to weld them out. So the bushes will obviously be part of this cross member, but this rear swing away mount plate, that'll be galvanised by itself. So basically the boss, or the hinge if you want to call it, obviously I'm going to trim that on the same angle of the underside of that cross member. Yeah, and obviously different bolts there, but that's just a bit of a mock-up. Yeah, so basically this, I'll probably zinc dip this myself, because once I weld the 2 mount plates to it, because that machine shaft for those bearings won't like being hot dip galvanised. It'll defeat the purpose. The bearings and all that won't fit. So basically, once this is all welded together, and there'll be 2 plates welded on this to pick up the swing away plate. So basically, that's going to be welded to the bush, and obviously that square hole there, that's going to be for the wheel or the rim. Then there's another plate that comes off that to take so basically a stub coming out, and then another plate to take the rim bolts. And yeah, so this can be all galvanised itself, because it's bolted to that boss, and the boss will be zinced with electrolysis. Yeah, so I've drawn it all up, and I'm pretty confident it's going to do the job. But there's 2 of these plates, and they're again packed out about 30mm, and there'll be a bit of round bar going through these holes and weld it to make it a bit stiffer. So basically that's where we're at. So the swing, the rear tyre swing, I have drawn it with the wheel on, so it misses the tail lights, and basically you can see everything. And I might look at just mounting the number plate to that frame. So yeah, like I said, that's why I wanted to upgrade that rear cross member, so I've got a bit more strength in here to take these 7 bushes and the weight of that rear tyre. So again, it's all unboltable, bar those 7 bushes there. But yeah, I just wanted to take it off the the cross member, not the one that comes off the door end and it's sort of screwed onto the cross member. Yeah, I just want to make something a bit more solid and a bit more heavy duty, but still keep in line with the same shape of the original cross member shape. So yeah, this is pretty much done. I've crossed off my last items for galvanising. I've done put the end caps on the dumb irons at the front, and just finished off a few little bits and pieces, but yeah. So we're very close to sending, well, to be galvanised, but I'm going to sandblast it first, just to tidy it up, and one more check to see if there's any other issues with rust, but I don't. I'm pretty doubtful that, well, hopeful that it is done, but I'm been over it enough. Yeah, so that's where we're at the moment. The next one will be working on, I guess, the swing away frame and the tow hitch. So yeah, thanks for watching.